Every year, millions of waste tires are discarded around the world. But what many people don't realize is that used tires are not just waste. They are actually valuable recyclable materials. After proper processing, recycled tire rubber can be sold to many industries, including rubber flooring manufacturers, playground surface companies, road construction projects, and rubber product factories. So how are waste tires turned into these valuable rubber materials? Today we are showing a complete waste tire recycling line that converts scrap tires into clean rubber powder and rubber granules with high market value. The process begins with a powerful tire shredder. Whole waste tires are fed into the shredder, where they are torn into large pieces. After shredding, the tire pieces are transported by conveyor to the next stage. Operators can also monitor the material to ensure smooth operation throughout the system. Next, the shredded tire pieces enter the first knife crusher. Here the rubber is crushed into smaller fragments, which helps release the steel wires embedded inside the tires. After crushing, the material passes through a magnetic separator. The magnetic system efficiently removes the steel wires from the rubber, separating the valuable metal from the rubber material. The rubber fragments then move to the second knife crusher. At this stage, the material is crushed again, producing finer rubber granules suitable for further separation and screening. To ensure high purity of the final rubber product, the material passes through another magnetic separator. This step removes any remaining steel wires, ensuring that the rubber particles are clean and ready for classification. Once the steel wires are fully separated, the rubber granules enter a linear vibrating screen. Here the material is separated into different sizes. Fine rubber powder is screened out, while larger rubber granules continue to the next stage. The remaining granules are then processed through an additional vibrating screen to further classify them into different particle sizes. At the end of the process, the final products include rubber powder and rubber granules of different sizes. These recycled rubber materials can be sold to manufacturers producing rubber mats, sports fields, playground surfaces, rubber tiles, and other rubber products. They can also be used in asphalt modification for road construction. If you have any questions, please contact us.